Okay students, let's start. First apply lemon yellow color with brush. I have round brush here. Here to make today a theme of one freedom fighter, our army. So let's go the orange and yellow sky on the topper area of the paper. Giving yellow and orange sky on the upper area like this. Yeah, I have watercolor. Then give it light, apply water in between, slide, give little light blue, not more, little, just yeah. Do not mix with orange when you go in middle and little this, yeah. Okay, I added water with blue color. Now I go on green, so yellow plus blue equals green. So here I make the yellow and green. These are our flag color in background, our Indian flag. Let it be dry, this background. After 5 minutes you can start another things on the paper. Don't be hurry because watercolor is this. It's taking time for dry. So be patientful work in your painting. I'm making a little this green brown like. Okay, so here I'm showing the orange and yellow saffron color. Background little white and blue, and here is yellow and green here. Mostly green color is in ground. Okay. So the theme is this, our national theme on Indian Army. So I make a national theme on Indian Army, some theme on. You can see it is surprise. See and do your work with me. Okay. Let's give time for dry. Okay. Now background is dry total, and I draw a theme on army on paper. First I give it some theme, our soldiers on the border. Okay, let's see the theme. So you start with violet color, red and blue mix, violet. So give it violet color or a brown color. You give it first to give it the border. Otherwise you give the army color, our soldier color, green uniform is that. Okay, so I give it a sketch of the army on this paper. So respect to our national flag, respect to our India. On this theme we are doing, and we protect our country. We are giving this theme on this. So we are happy in India. We are happy in our country because our army protected our country. So here I giving with violet color here. How to make violet color, red and blue.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में
First give the position. See,
तेरे खेतों
head, body,
इतनी सी है
and
दिल की आरज़ू
first give it the action line. I'm giving action line. These are the action line. Then give it as per uniform pose, action pose, what they wear. Yeah. The strong army. You have to show the strong army. So give it the bold body of the figure. And
लौट के वापस जा न सका
shoes and full size shoes they wear.
कुर्बान हुआ
They are very
तेरी
strong, looking
असमत
very
पे
strong.
मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था
And you give it the gun on hand, gun in hand.
तेरी मिट्टी
So line control. So I giving the
खिल जावा इतनी सी
I draw the line here.
आरज़ू तेरी नदियों
So draw the gun proper as per shape. You can see the reference of photograph army photograph, and draw many type of gun and weapons, our Indian army weapons. Okay. So here I show the shape of gun.
मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है
So give there some supported weapon of the army. This is some other weapons also used for like in shadow. Okay. So the kind of same army you can draw 2 or 3 in the background. Okay. So I try same in the near. Here also see I make and then small this show some far distance from the same action is same and you give it this like they fight for our nation. So this action
ना डरो अरसों जब जाए लरो
so I saw the
कर अपनी
some Amar Jawan, our national emblem of army. Shahid
डरो अरसों जब
Shahid emblem is there
लरो
in our country. So here I draw
अपनी जीत
Amar Jawan. You can change the brush if like so. This brush is very big point. You draw this with this point. Okay. So here we go on the national emblem of the our Amar Jawan Jyoti is there. You know, I think when you visited Delhi, it's there. Everyone have to see this place Amar Jawan Jyoti life in once.
कर मन ते कब हो न डरो हर सिख हो अपने
How it is this?
मन को
So draw the like this
लाल
proper concept. The statue and the cap is there.
जब
The semicircle cap.
निदान
Then gun is this. can see the reference of Amar Jawan Jyoti exactly how it is this, and draw same as was. So we are going to know symbol of colors of national flag. Orange says sacrifice, white says peace and harmony, green says prosperity, and our green India also is same. Okay. You show the Jawan here in attention position. Okay, and give the shade of it dark green color. Now I show the our weapons and weapon tools of India. So this jet plane, many type of jet plane of in our India to fight for the nation, missile jet plane. So the ISO the Mirage like this fighter plane. So this is the shape of the fighter plane. This is the exact photograph from the reference. Any photograph you search first, and how to do the fighter plane proper. Carefully. So it is in the maximum in triangle shape.
हजारों ख्वाब रोशन कर सुलगती सी निगाहों में, सुलगती सी निगाहों में कफन
Same as
बांध के
here.
निकले हैं आजादी की राहों में.
Just like a shape of plane. So like
कफन हम बांध के निकले
the plane.
हैं आजादी की
Point
राहों में, निशाने में जो रहते हैं निशाने से नहीं डरते.
So the helicopter also. So the tank, but I need tank with little light blue color.
मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे वतन के नाम पे.
So you know, everyone have to see this kind of the protection weapons in India. So the tank here. So many kind of tank you can draw. So I'm giving the slanting line. Slanting line is giving a force in our figures. Okay, associate this warm color. See, like this, orange color. See, so we have to draw same. You can draw your theme also, not only a same as per follow. You also show the idea, see the idea, get it idea from mind, and draw many type of kind of on this thing. Okay. Now I see little background colors, light green color, like this. I'm making grass. I change the brush kind of this point. I'm doing on A4 size paper here, and I give this green grass here.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब
Yeah.
मेरी
Now,
नस नस में तेरा
the most important thing you have to show
कभी रंग तेरा मुंह से निकल के खून कहे
this. Yes. You see the color of blood.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के
It's a sign of sacrifice,
इतनी सी
but the fight continue. You have to show like this.
तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
This is a sign of freedom. I saw the bird here in the sky. Okay. I saw some borders line here.
मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव
So make it fine picture. Today you all and
ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ
very carefully you see the
कितना
kind of things. And now I draw the right with the white color Amar Jawan.
तेरी मिट्टी
It is in Hindi.
जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
And give it some flowers. Yeah.
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी
So thank you all. This is today's lesson. You also draw a same or your theme on. Use watercolor, use color pencil, use oil pastel also. But colorful things we need for this painting, and know the proper background. Then after you do the figures, type of the figures according our Indian Army theme or picture topic is in Indian Army. So let's do fine work. All the best and be happy. Take care at home. Thank you all.